Here we have a 1970 Chevelle Malibu. Now this is an SS Tribute. We do know that. However, this is not just a Malibu with white stripes and call it good. This car is absolutely stunning. This had a body off restoration done. The underside is as amazing as the top, which you'll see in a while. The best part is under the hood, but we'll get to that in a minute. First off, look at the body lines and the paint. There's only about 700 miles on this car since the complete frame-off restoration was done on this car. All steel. It's not all, no, they didn't take any shortcuts on this car. And again, you'll be able to see that if you look at all the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see what I mean when you see the underside and everything else. Now, as I mentioned, this is a Chevelle SS Tribute, but they paid attention to a lot of the details, including the rear bumper rub strip, correct taillights, exhaust tips, the SS wheels. I should point out a few other things on the SS. It had the blacked out grille. The SS's had clear signal lights instead of amber. So although this is a Tribute, they did it right. And again, take a look at the interior. As I mentioned, there's only about 700 miles on the car since it's been completely restored. Literally every nut, bolt, screw, everything. SS dash. There's the power top switch. You can see the radio. It's got a factory fitting stereo in the dash, but it is a aftermarket unit. The red buckets, the red interior in this car absolutely pop with the black and white exterior. The top is like new. Again, you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. All right, now the best part is under the hood. Let me fire it up here for you and we'll talk about that in a second. As you can see, the cowl induction flapper is working there as well. All right, under the hood, we have a 3963512 casting code block, or in the Chevelle big block world, it's called the 512 block. Let me open the hood here for you. So there's a 512 block with the casting code of H31, or excuse me, the date code is H31 of 70. So this is a 70 512 block. Power steering, power brakes. You see it's got the smog stuff on there. Notice the correct style GM hoses. It also even has the correct intake, which is the low-rise aluminum, the 3963569 casting code intake. This car is top-notch. You can see all the little tags. Stickers and decals are where they're supposed to be. An incredible amount of detail was paid on this car when it was being restored. And when's the last time you heard a big block idle that nice? But when you get back here, it's got just the right sound. Nothing obnoxious, but at the stoplight they know you're there. You can see still pictures of this car, as I mentioned, on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered and offers are welcome as well. And don't forget, we can provide financing also.